What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, King Niado. So today I wanted to do something real quick, talk to you guys about something real quick, okay? So we're gonna talk about, okay, first of all, I had my 2011 Chevrolet Equinox, right? This car, for some reason, I'm not gonna say for some reason, because it did give me a check engine light and it was for catalytic converter, and I did not take it serious, okay? I did not take it serious in a sense because I didn't go to a shop with it so they could check it out. So now the mechanic I went to, he said I need 2 cam sensor and then the fuel pump regulator. Okay, so I called every freaking shops around. They don't have it, but I finally called a shop. Okay, an auto parts shop, O'Reilly. And guess what? I talked to one guy, they said they had it. Okay, they know what I'm talking about. They had it. It's like a fuel pump or whatever. Then when I called again, I see somebody else. They give me this part. Okay, they give me this part. Which, let's show you guys a picture. This part. He said that's the one I should be. I'm talking about. The mechanic is talking about the whole fuel pump regulator thing. They don't have the he said something about they using the old one, which is supposed to be this one. It's like a sensor. He said no, they're probably talking about a sensor. And the mechanic himself didn't even know what the fuck the part was looking like. Okay, so I got this part, and when I go to the mechanic with it, he was like, I don't think that's gonna do it because that's not what I'm looking for. That's a sensor. This one is a sensor, the fuel pump sensor. That's not what I'm looking at for. I'm looking for fuel pump regulator. So he put the part on, the car wouldn't start, so he called me to come get the part. He said that's not what I'm looking for. Now he finally showed me a picture, and guess what? I guess he called the guy that he talked to, and the guy that have it, he showed me this. He said that's the one that should work. So now, finger crossed, I hope it works. Okay, so I just did the video to show you guys, if you're ever looking for a fuel pump regulator for Chevrolet Equinox, this is one. So the guy that sold me this, he said that those cars got 2 fuel pump, two pump, right? One that's regulate the fuel, which is this, and then there's another fuel pump. He said when you put it on the system on the computer, it's gonna show as a fuel pump, but it's really do something, I guess, different than the fuel pump. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys in case if you ever have that problem with your Chevy Equinox, which he said that's a common problem on those cars. If you ever have a problem with your Chevy Equinox, you can always look. If mechanic ever say it's a fuel pump regulator, that's the one to look for. And then I'm showing you guys, and I think that's the part number. Okay, and then it looks like this. All right, so hopefully this video helps somebody. All right, because, and I hope that was the real reason, that was the real issue. And guess what, this thing costs $200 some. So since the mechanic called, I think they gave him some kind of discount. I think so. But anyway, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. I'm out. That thing was for $600, but get it for $281. So yep, it's crazy. It's crazy. All right, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. I'm out, man.